Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Want to create eye-catching food promos in Canva? I'll walk you through every step. First, click Create, then choose Videos. Select the landscape video format for your project to begin editing with the correct orientation. Next, add a text element. For example, type new reverse sum and new burger. Then, position this text element in the desired location on your workspace. Make sure the placement aligns with your design needs. This step helps highlight important information clearly. Adjust the size and style of the text if necessary to ensure it stands out. This completes adding and placing your text element in the project. Select the text you want to edit. Open the Effects panel and choose Text Effects. Scroll through the options to find the desired effect. Click on the effect to apply it to your text. Adjust the settings as needed to customize the appearance. Preview the changes to see how the effect enhances your text. Continue modifying until you are satisfied with the look. This adds visual interest and emphasizes key information in your project. This concludes the overview. We've covered all key features and settings here, ensuring you understand their functions and locations. Remember to explore each section thoroughly to maximize your use of the software. If you need to review any part, simply revisit the corresponding tutorial segment. Keeping practice and experimentation in your routine will help you master this tool. Now, you're equipped to navigate confidently and efficiently. Let's move forward with the next steps. First, click the Elements tab and type OK to add the text element to your design. Next, insert a blank page by selecting the Add Page button. Then, duplicate the new page by clicking the Duplicate Page icon. Now, rename the duplicated page Burger Tax to keep your project organized. Next, select the original text element, then drag and drop it onto the duplicated page. This action copies your text exactly where you want it. Repeat these steps as needed to build consistent pages with your design elements. This method streamlines your workflow and ensures uniformity across multiple pages in your project. First, add the transition match effect, followed by the move effect to your clip. Next, insert a background element to enhance visual appeal. To do this, drag your chosen background onto the timeline beneath the main footage. Adjust its length to match the clip duration. Then, fine-tune the transition match settings to ensure seamless blending between scenes. Apply keyframes within the move effect to create smooth motion across the frame. Preview the clip for continuity and flow. Make any necessary adjustments to timing or positioning. This process improves visual transitions and adds dynamic movement for a polished final video. Watch the animation. First, let's add audio. We'll use a happy track. Click the audio tab and search for happy. Browse the options and select one that fits your video. Once you find the right track, drag and drop it onto your timeline. Position the audio to start with the animation. Adjust the length by trimming the ends if necessary. Use the volume controls to balance the audio with other elements. Play the animation again to ensure the audio syncs well. If needed, reposition or swap the track for better fit. This adds emotion and engagement to your video. Remember to save your project regularly to avoid losing changes. Adding appropriate audio enhances the overall impact of your animation, making it more dynamic and enjoyable for viewers. First, expand the section to get a better view. Next, play the clip to review the content. Then, add a new plan page for organization. Insert another transition between pages to smooth the flow. Finally, enhance the details to make the sequence more engaging. This completes the setup, improving both structure and visual interest. Follow these steps to create a polished, professional presentation with seamless transitions and clear planning elements. Copy these two elements and paste them onto the third slide. Next, resize them smaller. Position the first element here and the second element here. Finally, add the accompanying text in the designated area. Adjust the layout to ensure balance and clarity. This completes the addition of these elements to the third slide, maintaining a consistent design throughout the presentation. Proceed to review and make any necessary refinements before moving forward. Navigate to the Elements tab, then select the search bar and type Sale. Locate the desired sale label in the results and click to add it to your project. Once added, select the sale element on your canvas. Next, locate the animation option and click to open the animation effects menu. Scroll through and choose the stop effect to apply to the sale label. This effect will freeze the animation at the current frame, pausing any motion. Adjust the duration as needed to fit your design. Preview your project to ensure the sale label appears correctly with the stop effect applied. This adds emphasis to the promotion while maintaining a clean, professional look in your design. First, select the object you want to align. Then, open the alignment tool and choose the desired alignment option, such as center or right align. Next, adjust the timing so the animation appears slightly later. To do this, open the timeline panel and shift the animation keyframes forward to the desired start time. Check the spacing between elements by enabling the grid or using guides to ensure consistent positioning. You can also adjust the vertical spacing by modifying the y-axis values. Finally, preview the animation sequence to verify smooth transitions and correct timing. Make any necessary speed adjustments to ensure the motion looks natural and balanced. Next, watch the preview to review your video. If it looks good, you can enhance it by adding a gradient color or a plain color background. Adjust the colors until you are satisfied with the appearance. Once finalized, click the share button to open the download options. Before downloading, increase the video quality to ensure the best resolution. Choose the desired video quality setting, then click download. Your video will start downloading in the improved quality. This process helps produce a polished final video ready for sharing or uploading. Make sure the preview matches your expectations before completing the download. This concludes the steps to finalize and save your video. Now you know how to make a tasty food promo opener in Canva and subscribe for more creative tips.